Okay? Support of your chair, root down in your left leg, lighten up on your right, rotate the right hip out, and we'll do variations on tree, starting with the shrub. The shrub is the foot is low, heel touches the shin. See if you can activate the muscles of the standing leg and hold. Can you let go of the chair or not? That's easy, or not. And then you can stay there, or you can use your hip muscles to bring your foot up higher on your leg. Now it might be right by your knee. If that is the case, do not forcefully press your foot into the leg. No, just lightly touch. Energize the muscles on the standing leg and hold. Can you let go? Don't have to, but if you can, give it a try so your brain can be challenged in the balance. And then you can stay there, you can go back to shrub, or you can lean down, grab your ankle, and put the foot in your inner thigh. In the traditional tree yoga pose, you might have seen folks do, or maybe you did it, you do it. Okay, in this time, because your foot's in your inner thigh, and your thigh's in your foot, you can activate and press your foot, press your thigh, everything comes together, and then you're really working all those muscles. Find your version of tree today and hold and balance. Doesn't have to look like somebody else's tree. Trees have a lot of different shapes and balance, right? Tree is an awesome yoga pose. Why? It forces one to be present. So that is the true practice of yoga, is to learn to become present in the moment with mindful awareness, and we can get strong and balanced along the way. Okay, to release, the knee comes forward, and then you put your foot down, and then you can take a moment, because you put a lot of weight on the standing leg. You might want to pick up that leg and rotate the ankle again, and do the other side too. Okay. Other side for tree. Okay, because it's going to be a little more symmetrical and easier to show, and probably easier to do, I moved the chair. Root down in the standing leg, the other side. Rotate the hip out. Shrub. Heel into shin. Toes on floor. See if you can find alignment here. And just because it's really good for your brains to do things differently, on this side, if you're comfortable letting go, let go, and take your arms to a different place. And maybe feel your shoulder blades to come together. And pull back, open up into cactus. Ramp your head back a little bit. That's your great posture. Okay, and then practicing other versions of tree, you can take the leg up higher. This is a hard one and a good one, because it forces you to work your hip. And don't worry, hold on to your chair if you need to. Hold and breathe. And then this one, some of us have done this way for years, and it's actually a little easier if you can get your foot up there than this one, because this leg is doing all the work. Okay, all the muscles have to do the work to hold your leg there. This one gets support because you're resting your foot on your inner thigh. See what I'm saying? Okay, hold your tree, your favorite version of tree right now. Any of those we just practiced are good, with or without the holding on to the chair. And when you are ready to release, the knee comes forward before you put your foot back to the earth. Great, so that's tree.